Oh my goodness.
See how they're like, see by the light how it's like all that rain is going. A lot of wind. A lot of wind and a lot of rain. Think about all the people.
Whoa! I just got.
Hey, think about all the people on the boardwalk.
Yeah.
If it's
I
that
just got a
south.
ton of water.
If it's that south.
The water's blowing onto the deck.
I know.
The flag over there. Jeez. This is the worst thunderstorm I've seen since the derecho. Well, it's lightning every couple seconds. Coastal highway is no doubt flooded. And it's right in prime time. Friday night. Oh. Coming in sheets. This is not the storm you want to get caught in, and a ton of people are. Can't imagine the people on the boardwalk. Jeez. Almost 45 minutes has gone by. Still a ton of lightning. Really bad flooding. Probably about 2 inches of water here. Here, this car will get by. That's not much water. Probably a lot. Coastal highway though. Whoa.